Hey, what's up guys? So I picked up the Samsung Galaxy Tablet A9 to replace the Amazon Fire HD8 tablet. Honestly, the Fire HD8 started feeling slow and clunky. The volume used to randomly go quiet sometimes and apps didn't always feel smooth. And one of my biggest issues was the App Store situation, because you don't get the normal Google Play Store experience straight out of the box. When I bought this, the A9 was Samsung's latest budget tablet, but now it's been replaced by the newer A11, which you can get hold of right now. This is the 8.7-inch Galaxy Tablet A9 with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. The box already feels more premium than the Fire HD8. Inside the box you get your paperwork, which nobody ever really reads, a USB-C charging cable, and the SIM tool for the SD card slot. Now let's get the tablet unwrapped. I went for the graphite colour, and honestly, I think it looks really nice. This one has a 60Hz display, whereas the newer A11 bumps up to 90Hz. The screen gets pretty bright too, so you can actually use it outside in the daylight properly, which was something the Fire HD8 definitely struggled with. You've got your USB-C charging port, the speaker at the bottom, speaker at the top, and your volume and power buttons on the side. It actually feels really slim and light in the hand as well. The shape of it feels really nice to hold compared to the Fire tablet. It feels way more premium than I expected for a budget tablet. And side by side the screen sizes are actually really similar, but the Fire HD8 has much thicker bezels, whereas the Samsung looks a lot cleaner and more modern. Even side on you can see the Samsung looks slimmer as well. And when you compare the App Store side by side, this is where the biggest difference is for me. The Samsung just feels smoother and cleaner to use, whereas the Fire HD8 still feels a bit clunky navigating around. Honestly, I'd even go as far as saying this is probably the better option for a kid's tablet as well. You get the proper Google Play Store, a brighter display, smoother performance, and overall, it just feels like a much nicer experience to use. Let me know in the comments if you want to see the setup of this tablet too.